with Damian Lotus.
We started off this morning with showers and thunderstorms, and we're going to end the day with a blizzard across parts of the state. So Oklahoma weather's in full effect, and coming up, I'm tracking not one, not two, but 3 chances of snow for Oklahoma City and the coldest air we've seen in possibly 3 years here for the state of Oklahoma. As of right now, I'm tracking a mix of upper 40s to low 50s here for your 4 o'clock temperatures. But across northwestern Oklahoma, an area of low pressure is sweeping its way through. Behind that, it's draining just cold air across the panhandle with winds gusting up to about 60 miles an hour. And because of those winds, it feels like 1 degree. 1 degree is what it feels like right now in Guymon. They have more snow in Guymon right now than they do the wind chill. So here's the latest setup. We have a blizzard warning in effect across the Oklahoma panhandle. We have a winter storm warning across northwestern parts of the state. So a statewide view of our storm scanner is showing the total snowfall so far, we have had already over 4 inches of snow across parts of the Oklahoma panhandle, and that's going to continue because taking a statewide view of our storm scanner, there's still heavy snowfall continuing here across the Oklahoma panhandle. This is that wraparound that we're seeing there of that area of low pressure, so the storm motion is going to be from north to south, so we're just going to see heavy rainfall continuing here across parts of the Oklahoma panhandle. But as we zoom off a little bit to the east, you can see this is where that transition line is from Freedom over towards Buffalo between rain, sleet, and then snowfall. That little pink line you see right there, that's the surface freezing line, and to the west of that it's snowfall. But to the east we still have rain. We have some rumbles of thunder near Buffalo, but then we're going to slowly start to see that rain transition to sleet and then transition to snow as we head into this evening. For the rest of the state, we have some pretty good rainfall north of Guthrie along I-35 up towards Ponca City, and all that heavy rainfall I was tracking earlier is now working its way off across eastern Oklahoma. For Oklahoma City, we're actually seeing what we call a dry slot with some sunshine working its way into the forecast and some light showers here across western parts of the state. But for Oklahoma City, as we head into this evening, that cold front will work its way through right around midnight, and then after that we will see a low chance of some snow flurries as we head into the overnight hours. Sunsets around 5:30. So for this evening, your 10 o'clock temperatures will be a mix of 20s, 30s and 40s. Pretty mild here for Oklahoma City, but across northwestern Oklahoma, heavy snowfall continuing and winter weather on its way. So future track radar is showing that by 6 o'clock this afternoon, this evening, after sunset, all the rainfall will continue across eastern and northeastern Oklahoma. Heavy snowfall continues across the panhandle. By 8 o'clock, that snowfall will start to work its way across northwestern Oklahoma and expand and intensify by about 10 o'clock this evening. And then as we head into the overnight hours, around midnight, that's when that rain, that's when that sleet, that's when that snowfall will try to work its way across I-35 in Oklahoma City. The highest chance for any snowfall for the metro will be right around 2 to 3 a.m. here for tonight as we head into your early Tuesday morning. So how much snowfall are we talking about? Well, once again, most of that snowfall will be across northern and northwestern Oklahoma. The panhandle will see the best snowfall totals. But here for central Oklahoma, we'll see some snow flurries, but overall doesn't look like any accumulation here for the Oklahoma City metro. Lows tonight behind the cold front will be in the teens and 20s. For the rest of the state, we'll be in the upper 20s to low 30s. So a cold start for your Tuesday morning, dipping down to 27 for Oklahoma City. Wind chills tonight will be in the single digits across the Oklahoma panhandle. And then as we head into Friday, that's going to be the next good chance of snow here in Oklahoma City. We'll see widespread 1 to 2 inch totals across central Oklahoma. So for all you snowfall lovers, Friday is going to be the day that looks like we can see the good chance here in Oklahoma City. And then Friday morning, because of that snowfall, we'll see wind chills below 0 in the panhandle, but single-digit wind chills early on Friday. But the coldest air we've seen in 3 years moves into the forecast on Monday morning. We could see wind chills as cold as -30 here for central, northern, and northwestern Oklahoma. That is dangerously cold here as we head into next week. So for that 7-day forecast for tonight, we'll see overnight showers, overnight snow flurries across northern Oklahoma. But for tomorrow, clearing skies, highs in the 30s, lots of sunshine. Wednesday looks good, but Wednesday looks windy, highs in the 50s. 50s as well on Thursday, but late Thursday, early Friday, that chance of snow returns to the forecast. The weekend doesn't look too bad on Saturday, but on Sunday, that next chance of snow bringing that Arctic shot back to the forecast, Heather. And look at this. We can see lows for Oklahoma City in the single digits as we head into next week.
No. Oh, my gosh. That makes me cold just looking at it. Thank you, Damian.